My name is Comedian Makana. I like to call myself the bouncer of comedy. I beg. The main reason for my comedy is because of this leg. There is ability in disability. So if you not get picking like me, making an appreciator. Making an appreciator. See, it's very easy for you to know barbers. We know sabi barber at all. Very easy. You get one guy for our area. You know, they see all those barber posters and where some go pull Obama, where some go pull Davido. The one way verse in pass, you see, get one where I see for my area, where I see Two-Face and Banky W, they do on Afro. How come? The one way piss me off, why I know say he verse me pass, and I don't know why I see Buhari sit down. Inka Efele can start, the barb the hair. How is that possible? As I come here today, I want cross road, and they find who go cross me. Now one blind man can't tap me. Say make I cross and go the other side. And they look this man. If to say this man know my condition, he know come meet me. And I took a bold step. And the bold step is this. I can't hold the man. So of us can't struggle. Struggle. Cross go the other side of the road. As we reach the other side, now in the blind man come they ask me whether the road no good. He don't know say my leg. My leg no balance. Me na clap. That's an intelligent joke too. See, you know what they vex me most? DJ, please get ready, get Motigbano and second one side. You know what they vex me the most? See, dances don't they very difficult now. Especially me. No be all dance I feel dance. This one way that they do now. Ordinary set I don't fall for God and match, I don't feel match. Leg no day to match. Make I come the dance based solely. I want to take one. But there are some dance steps that favors me. And there are some dance steps that don't favor me at all. DJ, play Motigbano. This one favor me. This is one of my best songs. Olamide. I don't need to dance. Make I just walk. Make I just walk. Make I don't dance, so just walk. I know they clap. Kill out.